Well, this is where we're going to be staying the next 5 days. This is one of the bedrooms. We're putting up our things now. Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
Got TV.
Okay.
Bathroom. Here's another bedroom. It's pretty. So, it's nice. Okay. Closet. Another bathroom. Some nice bathrooms. Pretty big. And then, let's see. Oh, that's locked. Washer and dryer. Water heater. Another bathroom. Look at there. That's pretty cool. And then this is the living area. It's nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And our view. The dining area and the kitchen. What do you think so far? Hey.
Me? Oh, the view is amazing.
Look at the ocean. Look at the waves out there.
It was 73 degrees in Mobile today, and I didn't even think about bringing in long sleeves or a jacket or...
I got on long sleeves. This is cool, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Listen at the ocean.
Oh, they do have a pool.
Yeah, I remember they did.
What? Perfect evening.
Listen at the waves. It's high tide, I guess. Oh, we're way up here. We are on the 11th floor. What are you laughing at?
We are up here on the 11th floor.
I can't help it. I am afraid of heights now. I'm just saying. Ooh, it makes me dizzy. I get dizzy. I do. Oh, but ain't it beautiful, guys? Oh my gosh. This is the Sanibel. This is where we're staying for the next 5 days.
You got the look. Didn't it? Less than 2 hours, and I've done got the look.
Look at these pools.
Oh, that looks good. Feels good too. I like that breeze.
we have our friends from North Alabama. Remember Danny and Melissa? They are visiting with us today or this weekend. We thought we'd drive out here to Fort Morgan, and it's almost 4 o'clock, so we're not going to go into the fort. But it's so nice. But the fog rolled in. It's very windy out here, and I mean it's not that bad. It's not cold, but it's really nice. It is just gorgeous here. Oh my gosh. But the waves are angry. Let's see, we got here Friday night. This is Sunday. So this is our second day here. But look at the waves. Look at this. They are angry. Look at this. There's so many things that you can do here at Gulf Shores. My hair's a mess. We have been on the beach already this morning, and but we've just had a good time with Danny and Melissa. They've left. We wish they could have stayed longer, but they had to get back. But anyway, hang out with us. We'll probably be exploring a few things. Not for sure where we're going to go or what, but there's places to eat here and all. So just hang out with us, and we'll see what we can get into, okay? It looks like we're coming to what they call Sunlight Diner.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm going to have to turn you off because of the music. Some good food here at Sunlight Diner.
So this is your menu.
Newspaper?
Yeah.
That is cool.
Hey.
So Mark got the blue raspberry soda. They have different types of sodas here. Oh, they got all kinds of stuff.
Oh, that's straight up.
These onion rings are delicious. What'd you think about that?
It was good. It was really good. I mean, we had onion rings and a salad, but it was really good.
Yeah.
Service was great. The guy was really friendly. Yeah, I would go back without a doubt.
Yeah, recommend it.
Highly recommend.
Highly recommend. Winds. Papa forgot. Mark forgot his. Yeah. How bad is it, Mark? Oh my goodness. Look at the birds. Oh my gosh. Oh, I know you probably can't hear me because of the wind. I'm blocking the wind from me. Okay, so I'm blocking the wind. Okay, we go this way. It's crazy. Now look at the ocean. Oh my gosh. The waves are huge. Our Gulf Shores. You guys, we just love the beach. We do. We like to come when there's nobody here, and when you do, it's either cool or windy. Oh my God. That wind is just crazy.
We're being sandblasted.
Yes. Oh, it is so good. Crazy.
Yes, it was.
Oh my gosh.
It was very windy. We were being sandblasted by the wind.
Yes.
I could feel it stinging my bare skin.
My hair's all crazy. It said we're under a gale warning. That's one reason why it's so crazy out there. But it's nice just to put your feet on the beach.
Yeah,
I guess we're gonna have to do indoor stuff today. What do you think?
yeah. I mean, maybe the wind and the temperature will be a little better tomorrow.
I hope so. But yeah, if I open this door, watch, guys. I mean, it's just so windy out here. It's beautiful though, but it's windy. We just love the beach. We'll see what we can get into. Don't know if you guys can hear this. The wind's so rough out there. You can hear it roaring in the condo. I don't know if you can hear that, and everything's popping. Wow. The waves are just rolling out there still. Good morning, everybody. This morning, the waves are so calm. It is 45 degrees, Mark just told me. Let me show you. It is just much calmer today. The birds are out there, they're just sitting out there on the water. That is so pretty. But yeah, the waves are so calm today. It just looks like a lake out there today after the past few days. we're gonna venture out and try to get breakfast this morning sometime. There's people out there on the beach, not a whole lot, but it just looks just like a lake this morning. It's so pretty. Alright, just hang out with us and we're gonna go find something to eat. Today it's so cold, I'm going to have to wear my Uggs. But we love the beach. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna go eat at that diner. Just can't get over how the waves are so calm today after it's been so, been so crazy. And ducks, look at them ducks out there. Just chill. It's a little breezy still, but it's, at least it's sunshine, not raining. Well, that was a bust. That was a bust.
No doubt.
We was gonna go eat at Island Pancake, and the roads were blocked off. They are having Mardi Gras today. Who knew? They're just having one parade though, but that messed our breakfast
That
up.
block the main drag and
Yeah.
you can't get around it.
So we're gonna have to, well, we have food. We're gonna go in and cook us a hobo breakfast
Yeah, at the beach.
at the beach.
You think that's probably enough?
We have potatoes, we got oil.
Is that enough oil?
That's enough oil. We have food.
Some sausage.
We got sausage.
2 or 3?
2. We have cheese. We have eggs.
Got bananas. Toast.
I don't think we're gonna starve.
No, we never do.
And we still have an awesome view. Look at there. All right, let's eat, or let's get to cooking.
When the parade takes away pancakes, you make hobo breakfast, I guess.
Yeah.
Yum. It's like 9:30 and at 6:30 last night for supper I had a bowl of chips, small bowl of potato chips. I'm starving. Are you wanting to play putt?
Yes. I like putt-putt. It's fun.
I know you
It's like whenever you go to the beach, if they got a putt-putt, you need to play. We came to Pirates Island. It's only $15 a person, and I think you can get some kind of package for $30, but we just got the $15.
There's 2 courses. One that you said was relatively flat, and then one that goes up this mountain behind us.
Yeah, I think we're headed towards that mountain over there. This is so cool.
Go ahead. I'm trying to figure this course out.
I know. Well, there's numbers. See, this is number 3, and that's 4. Then you go that way.
There's numbers all over the place, but all right.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're gonna get up on the hill or not. I thought you said it was an easy one.
I said it's easy.
Look, I get sun. You getting your putt on?
I am.
The woman likes some putt.
We decided to come to Island Pancake and go shores. They have the best pancakes ever. With a view. With my Valentine. Hey adventurers.
Hey guys.
This is our last day at Go Shores, and we've had an awesome time.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
We have had a good time. We've enjoyed spending time with our friends Danny and Melissa. We hadn't seen those guys in almost a year.
I know, it was so fun with them. We always have a good time with them.
Yeah, it was great just to hang out with them for a couple of days. And unfortunately, we've got to leave. This is it. We're having to go back home, go back to work.
Yeah, we got to go back to work. Oh, I hate the W word.
Yeah. Maybe next year, we've talked about it, we might try to make this a week next year.
Yes, we will. Well, all right, guys, thank you for joining us and staying with us, and stay tuned for the next videos. We got a few things planned.